This is Kit. He's very cute. He's very pretty. Hi, honey. How are you? Hi, baby. He's beautiful, isn't he?
Very good-natured.
Yeah,
Extremely
really chill.
good-natured and
Just looking around. We just put him in this room. There's other kitties here. Yeah, he doesn't seem to care much. He's being pet and happy, and he's an awesome little boy. You are just awesome. Super chill. Super chill.
purring.
Super chill.
Yeah, you purr.
Purr machine. Oh, he's so pretty. Okay, Kit. You're beautiful. Bye, Kit.